Hey MB so we're gonna jump right in. As you guys can see, I'm kind of starting off on a semi-stretched afro, and so I'm literally just going to start parting off my sections. So I'm gonna part a section on each side of my head, and you guys will see why later. So that's just what I'm doing here. And then I'm just gonna like clip that off to the side just to make sure that I'm sectioning off the right amount, because in that section that's where our braids are going to go. So you just want to make sure you have enough space for your braids there. And then on this side, this is where the clip-ins are going to go. So you want to make sure you proportion it right as well. It's pretty much the same as the other side, but I did part off a little bit more on the other side of my head. So now we're going to start with the back. So I'm just going to spray my hair with some water to loosen it up, and I apply some Luster's Pink Oil Moisturizer to my hair. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start parting our hair. So if you've been watching me for a long time, you guys know that I like to do my braids horizontal when I am doing clip-ins, because I like to use my clip-ins as a protective style. Now, you definitely don't have to braid your hair down. You can just go ahead and install them in your hair without braids, but I just like to do it this way. And like I said, I like to do my braids horizontal because it's really easy for installation, and this works the best for me. Now, your parts do not have to be straight or perfect because no one is going to see this part of your head at all. So I kind of just part however, as long as the braids are going across my head, then I'm good. Just gonna go ahead and start on the section of our head that is going to be exposed. These braids are going to be left outside of the clip-ins. Y'all remember when this style was so popular? Y'all used to wear this hairstyle like in high school. When I was relaxed, I would have like the braids on one side and my hair down on the other side. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing here. And I decided to do my braids small. So yeah, but if you don't know how to cornrow, you can do like flat twists. You can pretty much freestyle, do your braids however you would like on the side of your head. I decided to do kind of like a super round braid here, so I just parted a section at the front and then on the side of my third braid, and then I'm literally just going to braid it and then swoop it around, y'all. And I did apply some of the Luster's Pink Oil Moisturizer to this section as well. So once you're done with the braids on your side of your head, it's time to install the clip-ins, and I'm starting off with a clip that has 3 clips on it. These are the CurlsCurls Afro Kinky clip-ins. They come with 10 pieces in a bundle, and they mimic 4B, 4C hair, and these are in the length 14 inches, guys. Everything about them will be in the description box below. So that clip-in has 4 clips on them. So like I always say, you guys, clip-ins are a puzzle, so just fit them in where you can get them in at. So then that clip-in that I use right there has 5 clips on it, and then I went back to one that has 4 clip-ins on it. So I'm just applying these to the back section of my hair. But I've had these clip-ins almost a year, y'all. In November it'll be a year, and they are still in good standing. So as you guys can see, I'm just parting my hair out to cover that track, and I'm gonna add another clip-in that has 3 clips on it right there. These clip-ins have been treating me well, y'all. Like, all I did was co-wash them. I didn't even put any product in them, and they are bomb. So I'm just going to go ahead and part out some more of my hair to cover up that clip-in. And then I'm literally just going to spray some water on my hair to kind of like blend in my hair with the clip-ins. And you guys will see me do some more blending as the video goes on. And I'm going to use some Eco Styler gel to like really blend it in to the clip-ins. Once I get that all situated, I'm going to part another section right there, and I'm literally going to add a clip-in that has 2 clips on it. One of the clip-ins that kind of has the space in between the 2 clips. I'm just going to apply that there, and then part out some more of my hair to cover it up. And then that clip-in, y'all, I actually flipped it around. I put it the opposite direction, so flip that one going forward so you can flip it back. I changed it, but I didn't record that part, so sorry about that. But yeah, just turn it around so that you can kind of do a flip over method. And then what I'm doing with this clip-in is I did do this clip-in back so that I could cover up the braids. So as y'all can see, I stuck the braids in there, and then I ended up flipping this clip-in around as well. It wasn't going backwards, I flipped it forward so I could do the flip over method, y'all. But I changed it and thought I was recording, and I wasn't. But yeah, just flip it around basically. So yeah, y'all, with one bundle from CurlsCurls, you can do a full look. So that's what I really like about their clip-ins, because I always get a full look with them. And then I'm just putting a closed bobby pin right there to hold the braids down that I tucked under that clip-in. And so now I'm just blending out my hair on the side, because I did leave some hair out there. So I'm just gonna blend in the hair at the top too to match with the clip-ins. And I'm just using the Eco Styler gel, as you guys can see. And then I'm literally just going to spray some water on the hair as well, and brush up the hair, especially around my hairline, with my brush and some Eco Styler gel, and just making sure I blended everything properly and how I want it to be. Alright, so once I get it all blended, I'm going to go in and do my baby hairs. Now this step is definitely optional. I'm starting off with some Eco Styler gel just to lay down the base. I like to start off with Eco Styler gel. Sometimes I start off with edge control, and I just only use edge control. It just depends on how I'm feeling. But I am going to apply some Style Factor, Edge Booster, Pomade, edge control, whatever you want to call it, on top of my hair. Well, on top of the baby hair. And I'm just going to swoop that around. And then I'm literally going to take my scarf and put that around my hair so I can set everything into place. And the best way to shape up this hair is by using water. It gives you the shape that you want, and use your fingers. And it did dry up a bit while I was doing my makeup. So yeah, this is just how it is turned out, and I'm just kind of like fixing it and fluffing it out how I want it to look, which I love how it turned out. I did not cut these clip-ins or anything, y'all. You can definitely manipulate this hair. And I'm just going to add these hair jewels across the braid at the top that I did. Well, it's kind of like more like a twist. I did a twist gathering all the braids together. So I'm just going to add these hair jewels to spice up the look. So here is the style from all angles. I think it turned out really cute. I really love it. I love this length of the clip-ins because it looks really realistic. So make sure you guys check out curlscurls.com and check out their Afro kinky curly clip-ins. Everything about them will be linked in the description box below, so check there. Other videos that I've done using their hair will be linked in the description box below as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!